Some of the most important issues of our time pertain to our health. We now have access to so much information about the products we consume that we can protect ourselves in ways generations before us never could. In the 1950s, it was common for a pregnant woman to drink and smoke. We now know that drinking and smoking during pregnancy leads to birth defects. Cigarettes in general are a killer, as we well know. The lead in paint and exposure to certain chemicals can be avoided now that we know what the effects are. We also know that certain food additives, which were and still are commonly found in many foods, can make us obese, give us diabetes, and even cancer. Today, with the right information, we can protect ourselves and our families and stay healthier longer. The assigned topic for your solution argument paper this week is food sustainability, because it is a category that's relevant to all of us. By now, you are already in the process of researching a topic under the umbrella of food sustainability, and you're going to inform your audience about some important facts they may not know. It's important to make sure that the information you are going to share in your paper is well researched and not already widely accepted as truth. The point of your essay is going to be to address an audience that does not already understand or accept what you are going to say, and through the use of facts and strategic persuasive language, you are going to help them consider your perspective, perhaps even to change their own minds on the subject. Just think how powerful you can be in your professional adult life, both inside and outside your field of work, if you know how to get people to listen to you even when they don't agree with you and are generally against your stance. How amazing it will be when you find that because of how you delivered your facts and because of how eloquent and convincing you were, you actually convinced them to reconsider and ultimately change their minds about something important that could significantly affect their lives or the lives of those around them. This skill comes with it a lot of responsibility, but it's the kind of skill that will only benefit you and those around you in your life, and will make you stand out when compared to your peers. Exploring solutions to problems and communicating that information effectively, especially to reluctant audiences, teaches you the value of questioning your own assumptions in this life and remaining open to new information and possibilities. This is how society continues to improve and how we as people continue to grow and become better and smarter. As you research your topic and read new information that will support your thesis, remember to keep track of your sources, since you will need to include them in a works cited with your proposal essay. You will also need to properly quote from these unique sources within your essay, so be sure and save the links and the publication information so you can easily find them again. In this module, I'll include resources to help guide you in documenting sources in case you're not confident about how to do that, or maybe you've never done that before. So, I'm really looking forward to reading your research, and as always, I'm here to guide you in your process. All you need to do is reach out.